My name is Tom. I have got a big family. I have got a mom, a dad, a sister, 2 brothers, 2 grannies, 2 granddads, 3 aunts, 5 uncles and 10 cousins. My mom's name is Jenny. She is 35. She is a teacher. She is very beautiful. She likes her job. My mom is a clever woman. My dad's name is Peter. He is 37. He is funny and kind. My dad is a dentist. He is a very busy man, but he always plays with me. My sister's name is Liz. She is 9. She is nice. Liz is a pupil. She goes to school from Monday till Friday. My brothers' names are Simon and Frank. They are twins. They are 15. They are clever. Simon wants to be a doctor and Frank wants to be a businessman. I love my family very much.